Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today we are going to learn how to configure SSH inside latest Ubuntu, that is Ubuntu 24.04, and inside this I am going to show you how you can configure SSH server. First of all you need to update the repository. So sudo apt update command, you need to run this command, type your password and then update the repository. First command you have to do this one. After this we are going to install the Ubuntu package. Okay, so the software for Ubuntu server, first clear this screen and then install the package. Sudo apt install openssh-server, openssh-server -y you can put it, and this will install SSH server package. Now it's time to enable the firewall. So sudo ufw enable. This command will enable the firewall inside your Ubuntu Linux machine. Good. Now you have to allow your SSH in the firewall. So that firewall allow the users to do remote login on your system through SSH. So sudo ufw allow, and then you have to give your service name, or you can give the port number 22. So I'm giving the service name. It's very easy. Now you can check the status. Sudo ufw status, and then you can see port number 22 allowed for both IP version 4 and IP version 6. Now it's time to check the status whether it's running or not. So sudo system utl status ssh. You can see it's in activity. You can see it's still inactive and dead, so you have to activate it. How to activate it? Sudo systemctl restart ssh. Okay, we have some mistake, spelling mistake. Systemctl, okay, it's ctl, we have mistypes. Okay, and now check the status, and now you can see it's active and running. It means you can remotely log into this machine. Now check the IP address. To check the IP address, first we have to install sudo apt install nettools. So install this package. I think, okay, sorry, we have typed the wrong command. Even without this we can check the IP address, but this is good to install this package. Okay, saying it's already installed with the latest version. Now you can check your IP address using ifconfig, and you can see the IP address of this machine is 192.168.29.112. Now you can see this is your IP address. This is your Linux machine IP address on which we have configured SSH server. Now you can go to your Windows machine or any machine, and you can log into this machine using SSH. I'm going to my Windows machine, and I have downloaded a software named Putty. Okay, you know Putty software is recommended, so you need to install Putty. It's a free software. Just install it and open it, and then type the IP. Here you have to type the IP address of your Ubuntu machine, that is 112. So type here 192.168.29.112, and then click on open, then click on accept, and you can see it's login option here. Even if you want, you can make it larger by changing the setting. So I change the setting and make it larger so that you can see the login as I am typing Satish, then password for the remote user Satish, and then you can see I'm logging to the Linux machine. You can use the clear command, which is acting, and you can run history command, which you can see here. All the Linux command are visible here. It means if whatever you do, like if you run cal command, you can see the calendar. Okay. Now if you run ifconfig command, you can see the IP address, and you can also see this is now we are remotely logging on SSH server, because this is the IP address of the server, the Ubuntu machine on which we have configured the SSH server. Hence, you can easily configure SSH on the your Ubuntu 24, and you can remotely log into that using PuTTY or any other application, which is a SSH client application. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.